Welcome to Python 101 for Data Science. In this course, we're going to cover the fundamental topics of the Python programming language. After completing all 4 modules, you'll be able to start writing your very own Python programs. Based on recent surveys, Python was and still is the most popular high-level open-source programming language. It is a powerful, fast, and dynamic programming language that runs everywhere. It's also interactive, object-oriented, and very easy to learn. Anyone can create programs with it. It's particularly great for web development and scientific computing. With its vast libraries, it's also useful for data visualization and data analytics. This course covers Python 3 and its many new features. It is comprised of 4 modules. We'll start off with Python Basics, writing your first program, and then cover, in detail, types, expressions, variables, strings, and string operations. In the second module, we'll introduce you to Python data structures, namely lists and tuples, sets, and dictionaries. Lists and tuples are called compound data types and are one of the key types of data structures in Python. Sets and dictionaries are types of collections. In the third module, we'll cover Python programming fundamentals, including conditions, branching, loops, functions, and objects and classes. Specifically, you'll learn about comparison and logic operators, and the if, else, else-if statements, for and while loops, how to use some of Python's built-in functions, as well as how to build your own functions, and how to create objects and classes using object constructors and attributes. And finally, in the fourth module, we'll show you how to work with data in Python, specifically how to read and write with the open method, and how to load, work with, and save data in pandas. The hands-on labs after each module will have you practice what you learn using Jupyter notebooks on cognitiveclass.ai labs. There's a lot to go over, but by practicing all these concepts, you'll be well on your way to using Python in your own applications. We're sure you'll be up and running with Python in no time. So adjust your headphones and let's get started.